Somewhere in this old, scary factory is something so unique and so original that, well, let me tell you about it over some coffee. I'm Craig, and this is Cinematic Something, a show where I peek inside old, scary buildings in Shenzhen so you don't have to. For years now, coffee drinking has been booming in China, and you can see this on the street. Everywhere there are so many coffee shops, and it's been my pleasure to try as many of them as I possibly can. But the thing that gets me is how often I feel like these shops are just milking a trend. You know, mimicking what they see at trade shows or emulating a vibe they think people will like. That's fine and all, but what really inspires me is when people create an environment that reflects what they care about. And that's what I found at the place I'm going today, where I arranged an interview with the founders. And it happens to be my first interview in Chinese. And that's why I've come here to my birdcage of solitude, where I'll be preparing my questions for my interview. My Chinese is still terrible, so I figure writing my questions down is a foolproof method to not screwing up. So, let's go! Not far from Buji Station is this factory compound, and with some courage, and a little luck from a delivery guy with a key fob, I made it to the 5th floor. This is Fly Lily, one of the most secluded yet original coffee shops I have ever seen. It's owned and operated by these two. They fell in love with coffee and each other.
这个就是 Fly 就是我嘛，所以 Lily 就是我的太太。
Who knew coffee could be a love language? One thing that makes this place unique is a vast graveyard of old coffee machines. I have a feeling I'm in the presence of a tinkerer.
因为当时只买了40块钱，哪里？因为我喜欢动手，当时我就把那台40块的改装了，改装的什么功能都有，可以变压。 有压力显示，可以调温度，这还可以连接电脑出曲线。之后想着想着就越玩越疯狂，就买了60多台咖啡机到现在。
I couldn't help but feel a warm, welcoming vibe. Susan, a collaborator at the shop, described it like this.
其实我们这里之前是一个工厂来的，就做珠宝的工厂。后面呢，就慢慢的，飞哥把这里改造成一个工业风的那种。 咖啡实验室这样子，我们就不想说浪费这个地方，所以呢，就在这里改造成喝咖啡的一个体验馆。对，就像一个研究室一样。
The truth is, I didn't know what he was saying at the time, or anyone for that matter. But after translating, I was struck by what Fly said about his purpose.
因为我自己研发了之后，我觉得，跟外面的咖啡很不一样。 我研发的手法，包括我的冲煮理念，所有的东西，跟网络上人家教的都不一样，所以我就想把这个店跟更多人分享。原来咖啡可以这么简单，都可以很随便做的一杯很适合你，可以随便喝到自己做的咖啡。我要分享这个。
Being here, I realized this place isn't chasing some trend or vibe. It's about sharing their love of coffee with the people they interact with, and I found that to be really inspiring. So I can't wait to come back, no matter how hard this place is to find. That's it for today. Did you know that in China, having a fish pond in your office is good luck? You know what else is good luck? Liking and subscribing to Cinematic Something.